Hello everyone, Sir Weds here of the Integrated School Forms Media. Welcome to another video of our new segment here in our channel, Nation, Educating the Nation. Since it's already the end of the year, and all of us are looking forward to the closing exercises in our schools, I thought to share to all of you two of my audio tracks which I use as background music during awarding. You can choose between these tracks for your graduation exercises, awarding of honors, or any ceremony you will have in your school. The tracks are so versatile in tone that it can be used in a wide array of events. But we're gonna take it a notch higher. Since we're on ICT, I'm gonna teach you how to use these tracks and insert your school logos using Adobe Premiere. Don't worry if you are using a different video editing tool. You can still use these free templates since I already rendered it to MP4 files so that you may import it on your very own video editing tool. The process of adding these logos are basically the same. For all those who don't know how to edit videos but are very interested to learn, well, you're in good luck, since I'm gonna be demonstrating it here later. And lastly, for those who don't have any video editing tool but would like to have a copy of these audio files, I have purposely converted it to MP3 files for all of you. Without further ado, let me show you what we're gonna be making right now. First and foremost, open your Adobe Premiere application and create a new sequence. The dimensions of our sequence is set at 1920 by 1080. Import the file you downloaded from the link below to our project panel. For this demo, I'm gonna be using the track 1 Colorful Audio Spectrum. A little trivia, this track became popular with the Emmy Awards, while track 2 Colorful Audio Spectrum was actually composed by David Foster. Though I forgot the title of these tracks, but it is what it is. Move the file from the project panel to the timeline panel. By pressing the spacebar on your keyboard, we can see the movement of our spectrum in the video and hear the audio playing as well. As you can see in the program panel, I left a vacant space for a circular logo in the center. You can add your school's logo by importing your school logo in our project panel. But I will be using our channel's logo instead. Now move your logo from the project panel to the timeline panel. My logo is bigger than my audio spectrum. If in case your logo is smaller than the audio spectrum, you can still adjust the size of your logo. To resize your logo in order to fit your audio spectrum, click the logo object in your timeline. Go to the Effect Controls panel and look for the scale item. Change the scale from 100% to your desired logo size in order to fit your video. In my case, I need to scale it down to match my audio spectrum. Let's try 70% and check if it's okay. As you can see, the circumference is way off. Let's change it to 68%. Okay, how about let's try 67%. I'll hit this key to enlarge the program window. Let's turn it back at 68%. Well, maybe let's try 69% and enlarge the window again. This works better even when I play it. Doesn't that look elegant? For sure your principal or supervisor will be surprised. In case you don't like the colorful audio spectrum, I have 5 other colors to choose from for each track. Just for a minute, let me show you a quick preview of track 2 of this template. I'll drag it to the project panel and to the timeline. I'll copy my logo from this section by clicking it, holding the Alt key, and drag it above the second track. Since the logo is longer, I'll use the razor tool by pressing C on the keyboard and clicking on this section where my track ends. I'll just click this section and press delete. Let's go back to the beginning of this track, press space on my keyboard and play it. Let's enlarge the program window, and here you go. If you like, you can also add rolling text in your video the same way I did for our LRMDS office here. But that one is quite long to demonstrate, so we have to postpone that in the upcoming videos. Remember, all tracks in this video are available online. I did not compose these tracks at all, I only reinvented its presentation and use. The links of these files are available on the description below. And before we end this video, I would like to thank personally the following for subscribing to our channel. Miss Zipporah Dumalag, Miss Jeneline Padre, and Mr. Jason Cerezo. Thank you very much for subscribing and showing support to our channel. For everyone else, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you found this useful, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates in the future. This is our Weds of the Integrated School Forums Media. Until next time, and remember, keep it simple, efficient, and ambitious. See ya!